Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are and wherever you are listening to this announcement. Welcome to Unit 2. This unit we're going to focus on religions and how they manifest themselves in the cultural genres. You'll do the same thing as you did last unit, except for the unit questions. You'll post one question and comment on the other two. We only have 3 weeks this unit, so by the end of those 3 weeks, you'll have covered all 3 topics. Make sure that your posts are hitting the 300-word minimum and make sure that your responses are adding to the conversation. That detail is really important. Also, as we look at these religions these weeks, remember that we're looking at them through the eyes of historians, socialists, anthropologists, culturalists, not necessarily practitioners of those religions. So let's remember to be respectful of the beliefs of these religions. You don't necessarily have to agree with their beliefs, but please respect them. Keep that in mind as you're doing your unit questions and interacting with the material. Similarly, you'll do the same thing for your artifact analyses. You only have to do one for chapter 7 and 11. Make sure they just come from the sections about Buddhism and Hinduism. And then chapter 9, you'll do one on chapter 9, chapter 8, you'll do one on chapter 8, so on and so forth. If you have questions on those artifact analyses, please make sure that you're letting me know, because the feedback that I'm giving you each week are ways for you to build upon what you've done in previous weeks. Don't forget to take your unit test before Thursday. All directions are found on Blackboard. Otherwise, you should find the rest of the semester from here on out pretty identical. A unit question every week, an artifact analysis every week, and a quiz for the chapters that we cover. So hope you're starting to get into the groove. If not, please feel free to reach out. I hold office hours on campus in NCAB Thursdays and Fridays, so if you'd like to come in and meet with me, I'm always happy to meet with you. So have a great week. Enjoy Unit 2 with these religions, and I will be looking at your assignment soon. Have a good one.